Depending on the structure of your company, you may want to assign a few brokers to a team and assign them a manager and administrator. Creating teams can only be done by the administrator profile and through the profile section accessed by clicking on the profile icon in the top right of the screen. Once you have clicked this icon, select the Teams tab and click the New button in the top right of the page. You can now give the new team a name, assign a team manager and a team administrator. When assigning a team manager or team admin, you will be given a list of users who have the profile type team manager or team admin. So if you cannot find the user you are looking for in the drop-down list, it is likely that they have been assigned to a different profile type. You will need to change this through the User tab first, and then return to the page and assign them to the team. Editing a team can be done by clicking on the team name from the View Records page and then clicking the Edit button in the top right of the page. Once the team has been created, you can go to the record for each user that you want to assign to the team and choose the correct team from the drop-down list in the Field Team in the Access Details section. This can be changed at any time, but it is important to get it right so that the record access is correctly granted.